La 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 la. Welcome to the Jacob's Horrible Cooking Show. Alright, so this is how to make hot chocolate with XD_U24. Okay, so number one, grab a stupid cup. I'm gonna grab this one. Okay, so I'm gonna grab some milk on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so poured in the milk. Okay, we're gonna take this bad boy over here. Microwave. Okay. Clear. 2, 0. Okay, 2 minutes set. Put in our fat boy right over here. And now we're gonna press start. Okay guys, I'll see you back in 2 minutes. We're gonna do everything in 2 minutes. We're gonna face reveal me. Again. I got a haircut. How do you like it? How do you like it? Looking beautiful, eh? Okay. I have to turn my phone the opposite direction, so you might not be able to see it. Okay. I'm just waiting. I'm waiting. Mrs. Dragon. Okay, how much longer do we? 40 seconds. Twinkie time. Just throw that back up there. Okay, let this crab freaking do whatever the heck he has to do. Found Mr. and Mrs. Ice Dragon. What are you doing there? What are you doing? Okay. It's going. Okay, I'm gonna check if it's hot or not. Okay, yep, it is hot as heck. Well, I'm trying to close this door. Okay. I'm gonna go grab the packet. I'll be back. I got the packet. Okay, don't mind me. I'm just gonna put the camera down for a minute. Open it up. Put a little powder. Okay, yes, I have my powder. We're gonna dump it in. 1, 2, 3. I know there's more in there. Opening the packet. Okay, sorry guys, I gotta open my packet again. It's 1-track marshmallow. No, I squished it. I'm a monster. Darn it, I squished it. That just sucks. I squished it. Okay. Gonna do the spoon. It's harder when you're doing it with the camera. Okay, there's marshmallows and everything. We're gonna have to mix it. Yeah! Crap, I just see it spilling. Gotta watch my point of view here. Okay, we're gonna... Yay! Is it fine now? Let me taste it. Tastes delicious. Now we're gonna go over here. And we're gonna celebrate our 1,000 views. That is amazing. Let's start celebrating. Let's celebrate. You guys want some here? You probably didn't get any. This is my house. This is delicious. Okay, let me enjoy this for a second. And that was a delicious 1,000 view special. Oh my god. It tastes amazing. Well, guys, that's my 1,000 view special making hot chocolate. It's all my stomach now. Yeah, I know you just want to see my face. Yeet. Okay. Goodbye. Guys, I'm just gonna say, holy. I got 1,000 views. Not many kids make it there, and goodbye.